While the court is in session. Senator Judge Gatchalian is recognized.
Maraming salamat. Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. Yung boto ko po, wala pong kinalaman kung ang articles of impeachment ay constitutionally infirm or constitutionally superior or constitutionally sound. Ang akin lang pong boto ay may kaugnayan sa transparency. Kung saan sana sa open trial, dito natin pinag-usapan itong issue na ito para mabigyan natin ng oportunidad ang prosecution as well as the defense. Kasi ako naniniwala na gagamitin rin ito ng defense sa kanilang proceedings. At dito po sa open trial or sa trial proper,